Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Kik account using mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to log in and access your Kik account, then first tap open your Kik application from your mobile device. From the first interface of Kik, which looks like this, if you already have an account, you can simply tap the login button. But if you don't have one yet, tap sign up and follow through the registration. Once you tap on the login button, you'll end up in the login area. Start off by typing in your username in the first text box and head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password that you created while signing up for Kik. After you are done typing in your password, tap the login button. But in case you've forgotten your password, tap the forgot link right next to the password box and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Finally, after you tap on login and if your credentials are correct, you'll be able to log into your account just like that. That is how you can easily log into your Kik account using your mobile device. All you need to do is to get your credentials correct and you'll be good to go. That's how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.